Hello everyone. So today's topic. Today we'll do some exercise, testing exercise, and this will be a free form exercise based on the thoughts. Today we'll try to do a test modeling on the Zamato website, web application, and we'll see if we can crack some of the good test scenarios, and we'll try to explore the application. We'll try to understand it. We'll try to model it in the form of mind map. So I have a couple of videos on the mind map in this channel. Feel free to check them out. I'll leave those links in the description. You can also find them in the cards. So if you want to know more what is mind map and what are the different tools for the mind maps with the features and all, detailed comparison tools are also there. A couple of videos, you can check them out. Okay, so today let's do a short session of exploring this Zamato application. So I have a timer here so that we do some 30 minutes time-based exploration, and let's see what can we do. We will make use of all beautiful features of the mind map here, and then try to come up with uh, some productive output. So let's see. So here's the Zamato application. That's the application URL is zamato.com. Let's try to explore this. So I'll keep adding here. Okay, so the app URL is zamato.com, and then interface. Okay, web, and I'm using Brave browser, which is nothing but a Chromium based browser. Right. So let me go to here. So what do I see in the screen? In the home screen, I could see the menu. There is a link that is get the application. So if you see here, it takes to the application URL. We inspect it. If I do inspect, it takes me to a URL /mobile, and I think this URL would be copy the link, delete the link. Yes. So if I navigate that link, it takes me to the Zamato application URL, and the application URL can be Android or phone, or you can get this application. Basically, I feel that if you open this Zamato URL in the mobile phone, then it will take you to the respective Play Store or App Store. Yes, so let me menu bar. I would say, what are the things I have in the menu bar? If get the app, the text is get the app. So let me copy the link from here. So I would say get the app link, and this link redirects to this. Okay, so that's okay. And then what else? We have 3 more links here: add restaurant, login, and sign up. Similarly, let me check. If I click on that add restaurant, it's taking me to this link, partner with us. So this is another link that is going out of the home page. Okay, and what happens when I click here? Yeah. So basically all the links are opening in the same page, so it's not opening any new page. Okay, so get the app link, and then we have, what is it, restaurant name. Let me copy it. Restaurant. Okay, the link also I have copied already. Partner with this. Okay, so we have done this. So this I don't need. And similarly, we have login, and the login also opens. Okay, it's not another different page, it's a pop-up. Fine. Login. It's a pop-up. And this is the link. Okay, so this is a pop-up, and the pop-up has login title and or header, you would say, and the field, let's say, and there is a phone number field with the country code and the flag. Okay, so phone number field and the send OTP button, I would say. Input field and send OTP button. Okay, then there is different options. This is one option. There are two more options to log in, which is nothing but continue with email, continue with Google. So this send OTP option button, login header, three things are there, and then there is okay. Then we have a create account option. Text create account as this link. What happens when I click here? Yes, it comes up with another pop. Sign up. Okay. This is it. Pop-up. We'll go there. Else. Okay. So I'll click on one. Come back here. So we are done. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We forward this. There is also a divider text or. So header, phone number, send OTP. After that we have a okay. So let's go back again in the login. We have a phone number field and we have a text which is to default text, I would say, which is called placeholder text. Phone number as a placeholder text, and here default text, and this has a country drop down. So if you see here, this is a drop down basically. Okay, these are the flag, country flag, and this is the country code and a flag. So I would say flag and the country code drop down. Then again the drop down we have more options. Country code, alright. So we have phone number, few more things, we will dig more into it. Send OTP button by default disabled. What happens when I enter it? You can enter also more than 10, they allow it, but this disabled again. If you see it, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 enabled, 11 disabled. Okay, so it only enables when the number is 10. Let me switch to something else. Okay, okay, so if you see, if I selected this one, I can go up to any number. So I don't know what is the limit, but anyways, let's stick to India for now. So the number is 10 digit, and it only activates if the number is 10. Okay, fine. Number, country flag, country code, phone number. Okay, send OTP button here. Default true, disabled. If phone number equal to 10 digit, it becomes disabled. If phone number is less than or greater than 10 digits, attribute is disabled. Interesting. Okay, what else we see here is the send OTP button or button, and then we have a little icon here for continue with email and Google. Okay. Next. This is basically a link, whole link itself. It's a button. Okay. Continue with. Okay. So this takes me to login. Okay, so now within the same pop-up, yep. So this is a div. The entire div is clickable. So I would say this is a button. So I can click anywhere to take me to the login. Okay, so it's a button. Continue with email is a button. I have a text and icon. And if I say mouse over, that is nothing but a tooltip. I say mail hyphen fill. Nothing here. only here, mail hyphen fill. It doesn't come anywhere else. We're not here. Is there any other tooltip? No tooltip anyway. So only one tooltip in this entire pop-up, that is mail hyphen fill for continue with email. Continue with email. One icon, tooltip, tooltip text. This should be for this icon. Tooltip text for this icon, and this is a continuing with the button. There is an icon and there is a tooltip. Fine. And the behavior would be text to the login page. So email. Okay, fine. You can add that as well. Fine. Similarly, we have same thing for Google. Here also we have the icon. Gmail icon. Here the icon is email icon. And then the Gmail icon doesn't have any tooltip. Fine. Continue with this is the okay, fine. Open to Gmail. It's fine. What else we have? New to Zomato. Create account. Create account. I think we already have. It's a pop-up. Yes. Within the same pop-up, takes to the sign up. That's fine. So we are good with this. Alright, what else we have? There is a sign up. This is the book, and what happens when we click? We are presented with the same sign up which came from login. That's fine. Your full name, email. I agree, Zamato. Checkbox. And We have create account button which is disabled. Divider again, continue with Google also. So default is disabled, and we have continue with Gmail. We can paste it here. So it should be here. Yeah. So in flow, continue with Gmail, continue with Google here this time. Let's go back to login. Do we have? Oh, continue with Google. So I'll type it wrong. And then already have an account and log. So here login that login link. This login link navigates to login. Okay. So here one interesting thing to see that when we started this login pop-up, so this login link will take you to the login pop-up. So we can actually relate between from here to here like this. Right? So there is a relation from here. Login pop-up is nothing but this. So everything remains same here. So yep, see here. So this is the login pop-up. Like that, we need to find relationship. Again, if I go here, create an account. This create an account takes me to the same sign up page. So where is it? Create an account. See this one. Navigates to the sign in pop-up. So I can click this with okay. Cool. So we have some relationship here as well. And continue with Google will take us to the Google authentication page, and hopefully this also takes to the same thing. So if you see that this is both thing same thing comes up. Alright, here I would say continue with Google here. Gmail icon navigates to the same login pop-up window with Gmail. So here already have an account, continue with Gmail, he navigates to the same pop-up. So this can be same as this. Okay, so we have little bit of idea here what is happening inside this login and all. If you see, let's say we have 7 more minutes left. Yeah, so what we got here is that a login has several options, and then we have continue with Gmail, which is common between both login and sign up here, and then this login pop-up and this sign up page here, these are interlinked. Interesting. I would say type would be yes, that should be nice, and it should be a link. Let me make it blue. Let me make it of blue type. That's nice. It would have been good if I get an arrow. Is there any arrow option here? Connect line. Yes, there is an arrow. But okay, fine. I think I could have used this one, but fine. I think I can convert this. Yeah, this nice to an option. Login pop-up, login pop-up. Double arrow is not there. Fine. Fine. At least we understand this. These both are same. Mhm. Okay, we got some idea here. Let's see if we can do something else apart from this. Sign up and all menu bar we are done here, and then we have some. Is this image or text? This is a high resolution image, Zamato, and then there is some text underneath this. So here, let me collapse this. Is there option to collapse here? Yes, again, after the menu bar, I can see that. What do I say? Homepage header, and then the homepage header I have Zamato logo image, and then this is nothing but text. Text. Yes, we have another drop down where we can search, and what do we call this? Location input placeholder. Okay. And search container. This is a location search box, I would say. Okay, it's getting bigger and bigger. That's nice. Here, current location is already default selected. What's the default location? Maybe it is getting it from my internet service provider, or maybe some other logic. We'll see it default based on location, I would say. It's a drop down. Default, it's again drop down. If we allow our browser to track the location, maybe it will ask for that location. Yes, it is asking for it. For now, we not root. This is a search. There is a search icon, and then this default text. It is the default text. Okay, I think we are running out of time. I think let me summarize this. Here we could only crack login this menu bar and the URL this login pop-up add restaurant and Zomato title and all. We still have to explore more here in this area. It will take some more time, but we got a fair idea how this login number is interlinked. If you see here, it's beautiful to see a couple of things are related, and like this we can prepare another mind map, or maybe we can add it here as well. But the mind map is very big now, it might be even bigger, so we can cut this only menu bar one mind map, or only this till here we can have one mind map and again another mind map for others, so we can split them because there are huge features and things to do. Fine, I think this should be enough. We will see if we can continue from here in upcoming videos. Okay, feel free to watch this in 1.5 or 2x. It could be a little slow, but it needs patience. Testing needs patience, definitely. Thank you for watching.